Hi, good morning, dear students. The last class we discussed about sorting. Sorting is one of the array operations. Okay, last class we discussed about this. How many operations we are studied. See, in array we have five operations. First one is a traversing. Second one is a searching. In searching we have two types. One is a binary search. Second one is a binary search and linear search. Okay, then third one you know the insertion. Insertion means it is a process of insert an element into the array. Then you know the operation deletion. Deletion means what? Deletion, you have to remove the element from the array, that's called deletion. The last operation, fifth operation, is a sorting. Last class we discussed about this. What is sorting? Sorting means arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. Okay, it is a process of arranging the elements in ascending order. Must and should you have to arranging the elements in arranging the elements in ascending order. For example, I have an array name. For example, I have 35, then 10, then I have, see, these 3. Okay, then you have 20. Then how to arrange this in ascending order? First you have to, for example, first I have to arrange 3, then after that 5, then after that 10, 10, 20, then 30. This is called what? This is called a sorting. Okay, sorting, arranging the elements in a ascending order. That is called what? A sorting. Okay, this is a process of arranging the elements in ascending. Then how to arrange? How to give the instruction to the computer to arrange this? Okay, to arrange these elements, how to give the how to write an algorithm for this. See, in sorting we have different types. In that we have for your syllabus you have only insertion sort. What is insertion sort? Insertion sort means method of sorting the sort. It is a method of sorting to insert an element into the appropriate position. For example, 5, for example 3. In which position you have to insert? If you want answer in which position you are insert, you have to insert it to the first position, then only it will sort it, otherwise no. Okay, first you have to insert it in your element can be inserted in a appropriate position. That is called what? That is called insertion sort. Okay, last class we discussed about this. What is insertion sort? Insertion sort means it is also one of the type of sorting to insert a element into the appropriate position. Okay, if you want in elements are in ascending order, you have to put these 3 into first, then only it will sort it, otherwise no. This type of method is called insertion sort. Okay, this is you have to remember. Last class we discussed about this. Last class we discussed about the algorithm. Okay, this is very important algorithm. Must and should ask in 5 for 5 marks. We have only 4 steps. Okay, see in this for sorting, for exchanging, what you have to use? You have to use this. If a of j is less than a of j minus 1, then temp equal to a of j equal to a of j minus 1, a of j minus 1 equal to temp. These code you have to remember. If you write this much code means 3 marks. After that for loop, for array means must and should you have to use a for loop. For always insertion sort will be start with the I equal to 1, not 0. This is you have to remember. Last class we have already prepared this video how to trace this algorithm. Okay, one by one how to trace this algorithm. Already I you have to learn in the last video. Okay, today you have to solve the problems on this sorting method. Okay, now how to solve the problem? How to solve the problem in this? See. In examination they will ask you, they are given like this problem. For example, they are given 30, then 50, then 10, then they are given 5, okay, then they are given 30, for example 20. How to solve? See, how to sort this problem. Okay, by using insertion sort. Okay, you have to sort this problem by using a insertion sort method. See, insertion sort ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರಬೇಕು? 5. After that 5, 10, 20, 30 and 50. Okay, how to solve this problem by using a insertion sort? See, first take a you got to first take a passes, then take a location, then the next take a array. Array means you have write this array. For example, array is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. How many elements you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements, 5 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, then after that you have to write this in a of 0 you have 30, in a of 1 you have 50, then a of 2 you have 10, then a of 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, in a of 4 you have 20. Okay, this is you have to ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, after that always your element I equal to 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because see always in algorithm it start with I equal to 1. In algorithm always it start equal to 1. First 1 ತಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು just you have to round it, round ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 50 is it, just you have to compare 30 with 50. Okay, 30 with 50. Okay, 30 50 check ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Is it sorted? Yes, it is already sorted, then itself it is sorted. Okay, 30 50 just you have to compare, is it correct? First 30 ಆಮೇಲೆ 50, it itself it is sorted, then itself it is sorted, then j equal to itself it is sorted means in a 1. Okay, j equal to 1, location ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪ, location 1. Okay, next take location pass equal to 2, just you have to round up, then you have to write sorted element ಬರೀರಿ first sort. Same 30 itself it is sorted, 50, 5, then 20. Okay, then next I equal to 2 means just you have to put a round into 10 L ಬಂದ್ರೆ you have to insert in proper position. L in which proper position you have to insert 10? See 10 L ಬಂದ್ರೆ correct. See 10 if you put here in a position 0, in position 0 means it is sorted. Got it? Then what you have to write here, in which position you have to sort, just 30 r, then j equal to 0 position ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, in a 0 position it will be sorted. See first for then you have to write in 0 position means you have to sort this 10 ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ 10, after that 30 will be here, then after that 50, then after that 5, then 20. Okay, the next I equal to 3 round up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 3 round up ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, then in which position you have to insert 5. ಯಾವ position ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 insert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? See in the position 0, see 0 position j equal to 0, then if you write ಇದು ಆಯಿತು, then ಇದಕ್ಕೆ I equal to 3, then j equal to 0 position ಹಾಕಿ, 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then after that 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5, then 10, then 30, then 50, then 20. Okay, then after that I equal to take 4, just round the 4, 20, in which position you have to insert 20? Position ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ position ಬರಬೇಕು, 20 you have to insert it in a of 2, j equal to ಏನಾಯಿತು 2 ಆಯಿತು, then 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ just 5, 10, then 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 20, then you have to insert 30, then 50. It's itself now see it will be sorted 5, 10, 20, 30, 50. Then location, this is what they are seeing, this ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು 1, 0, 0, 2, these are the locations. Okay, this is what they how to solve the problem. See first once again I will tell this problem. If they are given like this question, sort these elements in the array. Okay, they are given 5 elements, one is 30, 50, 10, 5, 10, 5, 20. Okay, these elements you have to sort it. Then how to sort? First you have to write a pass, then location, then how many elements, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. Then here you have to write the elements. After that, first I equal to 1, always it start with, in algorithm you have I always start with 1. Then just you have to round up over a of 1. Just you have to check 30 with the 50. Itself it is sorted, don't interchange, already it is correct. Okay, you have to compare first two. Always itself it is sorted. Then that's why I am writing j equal to 1. After that, then you have to write same answer. After that, I equal to 2, just you round up to a of 2. Round ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 10 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಕರೆಕ್ಟು, 10 ನ 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ equal to 0. 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 10 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ 30 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು a of 1. Okay, it comes to a of 1, 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, next 30, then 50, 5, then 20. After that I go to 3, just round up 3, 5 ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಇನ್ನು 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, then 10 ಸರಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Got it? This is how to solve the problem. This is asked for 5 marks sorting method, how to solve this problem by using a insertion sort. Okay, like these questions are asked in the exam. Innu andru keilla, but algorithms is a very important. Okay, algorithm is a very sorting algorithm is a very important. Okay, another one problem I will solve. Another problem, see, check it. For example, you have a problem. For example, I am given 60, 40, then 50, then 10, then you have a 7. Okay, you have to sort this. How to sort this? Okay, first you have to write pass, location, then see, these are just you have to put 60 here, then 40, then 50, then 10, then 70. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, always in sorting, always insertion sort, start with I equal to 1. Just 1 and I ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, just you have to round it. 1 and just you have to round it. Okay, then 40 you have to compare with this 60 and 40. Is it right? No, must and should you have to interchange. Interchange means if 40 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, 60 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Then ಎಲ್ಲಿ interchange ಮಾಡೋ, then j you have to write j equal to, ಎಲ್ಲಿ insert you have to put the 40 in a 0 position. That's why I am writing 0. Then after that, what is the answer you are getting? 40 ಇಲ್ಲಿ, after that 60, after that 50, 10, 7. Okay, next I equal to 2. Just 2 ನ round up ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, round up to 50 ನ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟು? 50 in which position? In a of 1. in a of 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. then 1 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ a of 1, then just in a of 1, in a of 1 position, then what is our 40 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, then 50, then this is 60, then 10, next 7. Okay, next I equal to 3. I equal to 3 just round up 3. 10 ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನ which position? in a 0 position. 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ, then j equal to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 10 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then 40 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. got it? 40 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, just 40 ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ಕೊಂಡು 40, then after that 50, 60, then 7. Okay, next I equal to 4. I equal to 4, just round up 4. Whether it is just you have to compare, is it 70? Itself it is sorted, then it is j equal to 4, then you are getting 10, 40, 50, 60, then 70. This is what this is a sorted. Okay, sorted. This is the answer 0 1 0 4 answer perfect name 0 1 0 4. This is they are they are seeing this answer. Okay, you are getting this answer means it will be sorted. Okay, this is what this is the how to sort the elements. Okay, this is you have to remember how to sorting the elements. Okay, sorting means it is a technique arranging the elements in a ascending order. Okay, ascending order. This is called what sorting. This is the algorithm for sorting. Okay, this is the example solving how to solve the problem by using this sorting, but very rare to ask these type of problems. Okay, but problems are asked in only in binary search. In binary search, problems are very important. I am solving so many problems in the notes. You have to check it. Okay, you have to solve these problems every day. Okay, see, there are 6 algorithms in array operations. There are how many algorithms? 6 algorithms you have. You have to have 2 algorithms are must and should asked in the annual exams. Okay, so please prepare. You have to practice algorithms. Okay, if you don't know, just you have to see my videos again and again. Okay, then only you can understand. Okay, you can understand, then you have to practice. You have to one ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೆದಿಡ್ರಿ, you have to practice it. Okay, every algorithm every year they are asking. Okay, sorting algorithm for 5 marks. ಎಲ್ಲ algorithms 5 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So please you have to concentrate on these. Okay, thank you for watching this video.